Unlock the full potential of the most powerful tool in mirrorless photography with this comprehensive guide to the Sony A1. We'll dive deep into the heart of your Sony A1, starting with navigating its intuitive interface and understanding the core settings essential for breathtaking results. Mastering your shooting modes is crucial. We'll explore the manual mode for complete creative control. Then look at aperture and shutter priority for effortless depth of field and motion management. Understanding ISO sensitivity allows you to capture stunning images in any lighting condition. We'll show you how to adjust it effectively. Balancing detail with noise reduction. The Sony A1 boasts an incredible mount system, compatible with a vast array of lenses. Will guide you through selecting the right lens for your creative vision, from wide-angle landscapes to telephoto wildlife. For capturing action, the A1's blistering burst shooting is a game-changer. Learn how to utilize its high-speed continuous shooting and pre-shooting features to never miss a moment. Transitioning to video, the Sony A1 offers unparalleled cinematic capabilities. We'll cover essential video settings like resolution, frame rates, and picture profiles to elevate your filmmaking. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just beginning your photography and videography journey, this guide will empower you to harness the incredible power of the Sony A1. Let's get started.